Hi, it's Adam with WebStarts.com. If it's your first time tuning in, be sure to subscribe to this channel and enable notifications to be the first to find out when I release a new video about how to create your very own free website, online store, blog, internet marketing, and more. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a helpful resource that will provide graphics for your website. This resource is totally free. It's called undraw.co. Some of the things that I like about Undraw are the fact that they provide modern, professional looking web graphics, but not only can you use those graphics with your website, but you can also use them in the SVG format that allows you to scale images in lossless quality for things like print. So let's get started and take a look at undraw.co. You can see here on my screen that I've gone to the website. And to begin browsing the free graphics images that they allow you to download, just click Browse Now. You'll see there's a huge number of icons and graphics and illustrations available, and they're all done in a matching and modern style, and you can access these totally for free, whether you're using them for print advertising or you're using them for your website or maybe an email or anything else. All you need to do to download them is click on them, and then you can download them in either that SVG format or the PNG format. Now do notice to use them on your website, like the one I'm about to build with WebStarts.com, you'll need to download them in the PNG format, which is web compatible. The SVG format is really for people who are looking to do print or other types of graphic publishing. Now, another thing that I like about Undraw is the fact that you can change the color of each of these little illustrations. All you need to do is select this little color box up here, and then I've saved a color code that matches my website. So I've put it into the field provided, and then just like that, all of the illustrations change in color to match the theme of my website. That's very helpful. You can also use this search field right here to search for images and illustrations that have to do with your website. You can type in, for example, sports or business or whatever, and you'll get the corresponding results. So I've downloaded some images earlier, and I downloaded those in the PNG format because I'm going to be using them on my WebStarts website. Let me show you how you download those, upload them over to your WebStarts website, and you can use them to create a good-looking web design. I've hopped over to WebStarts.com. If it's your first time to the site, you can create a free website, online store, or blog just by clicking Get Started. It's free. Then select a template that you would like to use for your website. Each one of these templates is 100% customizable, so don't be worried about which one you select. You can always customize it or change it. If you already have an account, just click Log In. That's like what I have here, and you'll be able to log into your account. Now, the first time that you log in, you'll be in the dashboard view. Hover over the thumbnail of your website and click Edit Site. That opens up what's called the WebStarts Page Editor, and that's where you can begin making edits and changes to your page. You can select the page that you would like to edit from the drop down in the top left, or you can create a new page by clicking File, New Page. But for this demo, I'm just going to be working with this existing page, so I'm going to start by dragging this section down a little bit, and I'm going to actually select a few of these elements and delete them from the page just because I want to show you how to create this site using those web graphics from Undraw. Next, I'm going to click Add, and then I'm going to choose Image, and I have some options. I can use some images that I've already uploaded to my WebStarts file manager. That's what we are seeing here, just the different thumbnails for files that I'd previously uploaded. I can use my image search, or I can just click Upload to upload a new file. Now for this demonstration, I've downloaded several files in the proper color scheme like what we saw earlier, and so I'm just going to select them all from my local computer and upload them to my WebStarts file manager. In just a few minutes, the thumbnails will be generated for each one of those images, and then I'm going to show you how I can just double click on those images and I can add them to my website. So I want the main hero image to be this one here, so I just double click on it, and then I'm going to drag and drop it right in the center of my website. And I think that looks good. I'm then going to scroll down my page, and then by clicking this little plus icon, I can add some room to the bottom of my page. I can also select this image and use the handles, like this smart handle, for example, to drag all of the elements down my page and also push the elements that are below this specific one. At this point, I'm going to add a headline to my image. So I click add and I choose text. I'm going to choose some heading large text. Then I'm going to center that up as well. And then I'm just going to say something like free graphics design. It's just the headline that I'm choosing for this particular demonstration. Nothing too serious here. And then I'm going to add some of these graphics as icons. So I click on insert image again, which I can also do from the sidebar. And then I'm just going to select some or one of these images that I would like to use as an icon at the top of a paragraph. I'm going to grab the handles and resize it. Then I'm going to drag it into the spot where I want it to appear. And then I'm going to use the duplicate tool while that element or image is selected to quickly and easily duplicate it. And then I'm going to lay them out proportionately spaced apart. Next, I click add, I click text. I'm going to choose some paragraph medium text. And then I'm just going to add a blurb of text below each one of these icons. And the idea here is to create some repetition in my design so that it looks very nice. It looks like here that I'm going to have to center this up. And then I might move these icons a little bit depending on how I want them to appear. Next, I'm going to double click on each one of the icons and I'm going to change each one out just to illustrate how you can use these web graphics to convey different messages in different parts of your content. And then I'm just going to use these guidelines to make sure everything looks really sharp and is laid out in a very practical way. When you're finished, just click save, and those changes will be saved and published to your website, and you can view them by clicking view site. So there you have it. I've quickly and easily created a beautiful layout using WebStarts.com and those free graphics and illustrations from undraw.co. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to visit webstarts.com, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications, and I'll see you next time.